Hello, YouTube, and welcome back to Allie's Wonderland Creations. I am Alice Seraphin, and I am a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator here in the Pacific Northwest. Welcome to my channel, everybody. So, yes, I do live in what I call Hickville, USA, Belfair, Washington. Go Bulldogs, right? North Mason. So, here we go. This is February 2025's Paper Pumpkin Alternative video number 35. Woo! We are getting up there. And you can see I already have 36 and 37. I think 37 is going to be it. I'm pretty sure. And I already have those prepped just to do videos. Yay! We are so close to the end. So this is a note card. It's going to be so quick and simple. I have little notes on things. If I could pick them up, it would be a miracle. Little Zed, the little poodle mix, is out here with me today along with Titi. She's not happy. He's in her little donut pillow. She's not happy. Not happy. I need the petunia pop and I need all of this that I didn't get ready. So let's take a look at what you could have created. So you could have recreated these 3 cards along with the 9 envelopes that you could have, I was getting the petunia pop, you could have cut open and done wonderful things with. This QR code would have led you to a video that would have showed you how to put these cards together as they were designed. Down here are the coordinating colors. Videos 1 through 5. Wow. 30 video goes. I show you everything that comes into the kit. After that, we move on. Now, this one down here would lead you how to purchase the set of 5 dies. These 2 coordinate with this kit. These 2 with March's upcoming kit. And then you can see I already put some stamps away. So here we go. These are the stamps for you. This is one we're using on the card, the front of the card. Hello, spring, happy Easter. Thanks for helping me grow. The chives, cut that little chives right off, lickety split. The blossom, the background, to a wonderful friend, and sending love. Now that's out of the way. This is a note card, my little paper clip. I am using a chive label from the kit, a piece of an envelope, but this is a note card, a white, a pre-made one. Oh my giddy heart, look at this. 2 note cards, no envelope. Hold on a second. That's just like not going to work, is it? Nope, it's not going to work. I got to get in here and grab. How did that happen? I don't know, but let's just grab a couple of those. Oh, that's funny. We only need 1, but I do need a envelope. 1 would do. Let's put 1 with that, and we'll put that in the container. Okay, so we have a note card in envelope, which is 4 7/8 by 7 scored at 3.5, layer number 1. Now, this is part of a card base, believe it or not, but it is. There's no basic beige on the back. This is 2 7/8 by 4 1/4, and this is card base from the kit. And then we have our chives label, and we have a scrap of white for the 3/4 inch circle punch, which I don't even need a stamp in Pierce Mat to do this because I can stamp right on here. And we're just going to do it right on here. This is how quick it's going to be. We're going to stamp this for you right there. Oh, that came out great. We're going to punch it out. We're not going to back it with anything. I mean, I could, look, I put a lot of stuff away already. No, we're not going to. Okay, this needs to go in the drawer. We need to get out the petunia pop, ink pad, and the little chive blossoms. And we're going to stamp those little blossoms. 1 there. Oh, that is so deep and vibrant. Woohoo! There we go. Now, yes, we're going to open those again, but for the moment, we're going to just put all of this right there. Glue this onto our note card. and decide what are we going to stick on the inside. I hadn't got that far, but I did know what we were going to do here. Just like that. Lickety split. And we have a card. I think we'll do Happy Easter. No dimension. Now I am just going to cover this up. I could have done that in Petunia Pop. You know what? I think we're going to try it in Petunia Pop. Why? Because we can. Because I like to stamp. So let's clean this off. And it might look really cool down there in Petunia Pop. So we're going to have both colors. Oh, this is the problem. Let's see, just barely. Let's see, that's so. Give it a minute, let that ink settle in. Give me a second. So stamp off and then stamp. See if I like this better. Do not like that. This is okay. Let's see. Just like that. I could bring, this is so big, but we can cut part of this off. Just an extra little piece from the kit that I haven't used yet. And we're going to put a little piece, but I need that guillotine. You guys know I cannot cut straight. So we are going to put it right at 1/2 inch, which is probably going to give us like 1/4 inch of it. And we're still going to have to cut it. So we're just going to glue it back there. Crossed. Right, we're just going to stick it like that. Where are the scissors? All right, little scissors, where'd you go? Did I put you in the drawer instead of the punch? No. You're not in the basket. You're not under there. You're not anywhere. Oh, Sam, I am. Green eggs and ham, right? All right. Don't know where my good scissors are, but we'll just use these. We're just going to go there. We're going to go in the same direction here. And that, oh, it needed that little bit. It just needed that little bit. We're going to cover up the chives with the little strip. Oh, and you know, we're going to add the little honeybees. And this is from June 2022's Paper Pumpkin Kit, which I have set aside. Hold on. It is, oh, it's August. This one. See this one? August 2022's Sweet Sunflowers. Now, where is the black memento? We're going to go, oops, let's do it this way. This one is going to go there. Then flip it over. This one's over here. And this one, yeah, we're going to get a bunch of busy bees. Busy bees. Get my Daffodil Delight, my little, I always want to say Bashful Blue, Balmy Blue. Little blue on the wings. A little yellow, oops, wrong end. Little yellow. There we go. And we have a cute, darling little card, which we're probably going to stamp them little busy-bodied little bees. Again, so what do we want to stamp? Hello, spring. Happy Easter. Let's do the happy, happy, happy Easter on the inside and a few buzzing little bees. Yep. In the envelope. Why not? Just some little bees buzzing by to say hi. Going this way, going my way, right? This one's gonna go this way. This one's gonna go this way. And that's all she wrote. Of course, we're gonna color those little guys in. I'm gonna put this away where it belongs before I lose it too. So our little bodies. Very, very light touch of the balmy blue because this stuff bleeds through. So just a brush of that on the envelope. Here we can go darker. This is nice thick cardstock. And that's it, guys. Little wink of Stella, right? And just on the greenery. I don't know why I kind of am like that, but I'm glad we chose Petunia Pop. It looks better as it dries. It just gets really muddled if you push on it. So there you go. Little wink of Stella, little kiss of sunshine, and that's 35. So I hope you guys like it. I do. It's quick. It's simple. It's still using quite a bit, you know, from the kit. The next one's gonna be a collage. The final one, wait till you see it, because I really like what I've done with the very last one, and I hope you do as well. It's gonna be really darling. It is a bit of a fun fold, but very simple, and it's using an envelope. I can't wait to share it with you. So hoo-hoo! But the next one's gonna be a collage and a giveaway with the pieces that I'm using. So I hope you guys like it, and I can't wait to see you all again here in my Wonderland. Bye bye for now, everyone.